Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is an easy peasy one. We are going to make peanut butter chicken. Believe me, it's so delicious and it hardly takes time to make. If you have some peanut butter at home and some chicken, do give it a try right away. This is perfect for the days when you want to eat something nice and don't want to spend too much time cooking in the kitchen, then go for it. You will really enjoy. So let's start the preparation.
Here we have 400 grams of chicken, boneless chicken. I have taken the thigh pieces, cut them into very small pieces just like we do for butter chicken. Wash them well, drain out the water completely. Other ingredients are peanut butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons. This is homemade peanut butter. Check out the link in the description box how to make it at home. Then we have coconut milk 3 tablespoons, chicken stock half cup, soy sauce 1 tablespoon, chilli garlic sauce 1 tablespoon. You could also replace this with Thai red curry paste. Oil 1 tablespoon for the sauce and 4 tablespoons for cooking. Vinegar 1 tablespoon. Spring onions for garnishing, or you could use any greens you like parsley, coriander. Salt to taste. Crushed ginger half tablespoon. Crushed garlic 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes half teaspoon. Add more if you like. Mixed spice powder 1 teaspoon. You could use cumin powder or garam masala. Cornstarch half teaspoon. Roasted sesame seeds 1 teaspoon for garnishing. Ingredients list can be seen in the description box also. Now let's begin by marinating the chicken. Add little bit of salt and soy sauce. Mix them well. Set them aside at least 1 hour in the refrigerator. If you have time, you can marinate it for longer. This goes into the refrigerator until we begin the cooking. Now let's make the sauce first. Whisk together the peanut butter, oil, salt, vinegar, chilli garlic sauce, soy sauce, cornstarch, coconut milk and chicken stock. Using a small whisk, mix all these ingredients very well until they are blended into a smooth sauce. Set this aside and now let's begin the cooking. Heat oil in a pan, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Once it is hot, add the ginger and garlic. Saute them. Until they change the color. Keep stirring them continuously. And now you can add the chicken, marinated chicken pieces. We are going to stir fry these pieces, stirring them occasionally until the oil separates and the moisture is all dried up from the chicken. As you are stirring, you can see slowly the color is changing. Oil has also separated now. Now at this stage we can cover the pan and simmer it on low flame. By doing this, juices, all the soya sauce, everything comes out and the chicken gets cooked in its own juices. Add the spice powder. Mix it. There's still some moisture there, so we are going to cover the lid and cook it further. After about couple of minutes, you can see that it's almost done, nearly done. Now it's time to add the prepared sauce. Mix it again and add it to the pan. This sauce should not be overcooked. That's why we add it in the end, towards the end. Give it a nice mix. And we will let it simmer for a little while. Reduce the flame, cover and simmer it. Friends, a small request. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do so. I keep sharing all these delicious recipes. Make sure you click the bell icon and choose all options so that you don't miss out the notifications. Now the chicken is ready. Just check the salt. Adjust the flavors, spices according to your taste. Little bit water I'm adding in the bowl to remove the sauce that is stuck in it and add it to the pan. Again I'll simmer it a little bit because water has been added. If you want more gravy, you can add little more water as you like. I like little bit thicker gravy. Add some chili flakes. You can add more if you like. I'm just adding little bit. Cover and simmer it. Beautiful. You can see the lovely texture of the gravy, color, and the flavors are amazing. Gravy thickens on keeping, so accordingly you make the gravy. Here I'm going to serve it right away, so this is just perfect for me. Finally, garnish with roasted sesame seeds. And your delicious peanut butter chicken is ready. Some spring onions for color. Here we go. Make and enjoy. It pairs very well with Thai jasmine rice. And you can even have some broccoli stir fry on the side if you like. I love the crunchy broccoli also. It's stir fried sauteed with garlic. That recipe also I had shared it some time back. You can check it out. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. You might have missed watching them. Stay tuned.